This is a review of the TECKNET LED outdoor solar wall lights. That is a motion sensor. It comes with a 6-pack and it's a 300 degrees angle with 3 lighting modes as well too. And it is outdoor and waterproof that we're going to be installing, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this install, we're going to show you guys how you install it, and then after that show you guys the finished results. So without going further, let's mount this on and show you guys the install steps. The installation is very easy. All you have to do is get your 2 Phillips head screwdrivers, and from there stick it wherever you want it. So I'm going to do on my solar fence lights like this, and just like that. You can see 2 screws already drilled in, the Phillips head screwdriver. So the install is very easy. Just mount it where you have to. From there, use the 2 Phillips head screwdrivers provided, and from there screw it inside. And from there you should have it just like that mounted up. But now we're going to show you guys the finished results. So just like that, you take your Phillips head screwdriver, just like right here, and you screw it inside with the Phillips head screw, and from there you should just be done with the install. It's very simple and easy. Okay, so here's the finished results of the outdoor wall lights, and you can see it's a total pack of 6. And one thing I love about these outdoor wall lights, it has 3 different modes. So you can set it to full brightness that it has. You could dim it if you want it, and then also comes with motion detection as well too. So for example, if you come close to it, it's going to automatically stay on. So let's say if I go to the ones like right over here, you can just turn it off like that. And if I change the settings in the dial, and then you can see it's at a dim mode. So for example, if I come close to it, it automatically turns on like that. So yeah, like this mode right here, if you just like that, you can see it turns on with the motion detection. 3 different modes. I just love these outdoor wall lights. You could dim it down, you could make it stay constantly on throughout the entire night, and the battery life on this is it's extremely long as well too. You can see the other 2 I have it mounted right over here, you could see. And then when I come close to it, it turns off, motion detection. I just love the feature that it has the 3 different modes. And then like I told you guys, waterproof. It stays on as well too throughout the entire night. And you can see the where it catches the sun is located right over here, and then this one right over here. You can just turn it off like that and change the different modes and functions. But other than that, I would definitely recommend these outdoor wall lights. If you are looking for outdoor wall lights to lighten up your entire yard and your backyard, then this one right over here is by far one of the best ones you could get, and I would definitely recommend these outdoor wall lights.